Hi everybody, welcome back to TETRIX RoboBench video series. This is Tim, and today I've got some company, and so I'm going to introduce my guests. These are some kids of one of my colleagues that works here at Pitsco. Alan Kirby graciously allowed his kids to come in, so I'm going to ask you to go around the table and tell me your names and what grade you're in.
Okay, I'm Paige, and I'm going into 5th grade.
5th grade, good, Paige.
I'm Sam, and I'm a freshman.
Sam, thanks for coming in.
I'm Kat, and I will be entering the 6th grade. It's going to be a nightmare.
Okay, Kat, thanks for coming in.
I'm Dane, and I'm going to be going into 8th grade.
Okay, so we've got Paige, Sam, Kat, and Dane, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, thanks for coming in, guys. So your dad, Alan, works here with me at Pitsco, and you guys have got to be some of the very first kids to look at our TETRIX Prime starter set because your dad brought some home before it was ever even released to the general public, right?
Mm-hmm.
So Dane, you actually built one of the first robots, right? And you drove around. Tell us a little bit about the robot that you built.
Okay, so what I did was I built a wheelie bot, and I made a little carriage out in the front so I can place a phone in. So I just rubber banded it to the carriage, and I FaceTime my mom's phone so we can look through the phone and through the robot.
So you actually drove your robot around and you were looking on your mom's phone and used the FaceTime and actually were able to see where you were driving with your robot, right? Mm-hmm. That's cool. And so some of the others, Sam, you actually said today was your first experience with looking at this, right? So what do you think so far? Have you had fun? It looks like you put together something you're building. What are we building?
A wheelie bot is 3 wheels, but I think it goes fast. And so I tried to make a rectangle one that also goes really fast.
Okay, so you're working on a four-wheel bot, basically. Cool. Kat, and you said have you done some of this at school, or?
I've done something like this in the 4th grade, and I seem to like it.
You like it? You like working with your hands and putting things together?
As long as I'm quiet.
As long as you're quiet, okay. And how about the rest of you? I think you told me earlier that you guys have all worked with Lego.
Mm-hmm.
So you're kind of familiar with putting things together like this. And Dane, you said that you like it better or worse? It's a little more complicated?
I do like it. I think it's fun because it's something that you can't do with Lego. You can't really program bricks, but you can program this or control it around. It's fun and I like it.
Okay. And you said it was kind of sciencey-like? Is that what you said?
I like getting to the sciencey side of things.
The sciencey side of things, that's good. Okay, Dane, it looks like that you've got something in front of you. So tell us a little bit about what you just built that just now, right? Mm-hmm. So tell us about what you built.
So what I built was I was trying to build a rectangular balance bot, but that didn't work out so well, so I put 2 Omni wheels out in the front so it will be able to turn easier.
Okay, and Paige, I think you actually got to help a little bit on this, right?
Yeah.
What did you call your bot?
We called it Willy Bot.
The Willy Bot.
Uh-huh.
And why did you call it that?
Well, we were kind of making jokes, and we were trying to think of a name for it, and we were just making jokes about names.
So Willy Bot's what you chose, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We were just making jokes about names.
Well, sometimes that's the way things get named, right?
Yeah.
So, well, thanks for telling us about your bot and what you were trying to do with that. Okay. Any other things that you guys want to add into about the experience with the TETRIX material? Because I think you've also seen some of the older the Max parts as well, right? That your dad's brought home. So, anything else? Do you liking it? Having a good time?
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
That's the main thing. So, anyway, what we wanted to do was show you that you've seen me build with the TETRIX Prime and Max starter systems, but we wanted to show that it really works with kids as well, of all ages, all experience levels. Gives you a very easy entry point, but yet gives you latitude to really work at a higher level or whatever level you're working at. So we hope you enjoyed that and it gives you some inspiration. And again, have fun building those robots and come back and see us.